Hi, myself Tejaswini Gowda. I have done BE in computer engineering and I have total 5 years of experience in IT services. My previous company was White Hat Junior. There I have worked for 2 years, 4 months as an assistant manager into operations. And before working with White Hat Junior, I have worked with Equation. It's a product based company. There I have worked for 2 years, 6 months as a product line engineer. And my current location is in Mumbai. This is my work profile. Coming up with my IT skills, I have the knowledge of tools such as Jira and Postman, and uh, and I also have the knowledge of languages such as Java and HTML. I'm currently doing an internship program with EdByte into software testing that includes both manual as well as automation. Coming up with my strength and weaknesses, I'm very much optimistic person. I always have the positive attitude towards my life and career. If I face any challenges in my career, I always take it in a positive way so that I can learn new things and gain more knowledge about it. And I'm very much hardworking and self-motivated person. My weaknesses are I'm very much impatient and trust everything and anything very easily. Coming up with my family background, I am staying in a nuclear family. My husband is an IT professional. He has 12 years of experience into software engineering and currently working with CTS Tech for past 9 months. I also have a 4-year-old kid. He's going to school and he's in nursery. My hobbies are I love to drive and I also do sketching in my free time and also like to do new things in my life and also I have a passion about cooking, so I like to try new dishes whenever I'm free. So this is all about me. Thank you.